Hello children, this is 6th standard maths. Chapter name is decimals. Decimal. In algebra, a decimal number can be defined as a number whose whole number part and the fraction part is separated by a decimal point. The dot in a decimal number is called the decimal point. The digit following the decimal point shows the value smaller than 1. For example, this is a place value of chart means, yeah, 234, example 234, 234.63 we have to write on the place value of the place value chant. So 3 here, 3, 6 decimal point 4, 3, 2. 36.43 to 234.63. How to write the decimal? So after decimal point, this is a decimal point means this is ones place. Okay, and this is tens place. This is 1, this is tens place, and this is 100 place. Okay, this is 100 place. So before point, this is ones, tens, and now after decimal point, this is 1/10 and 100, 1 by 1000 means tens, hundreds, thousands, TENTH. So here what is meant by decimal? Decimal number can be defined as a number whose whole number part and this is a whole number, 2, 3, 4 are whole number part and the fraction 1 by 10 after decimal point, the 6 and 3, this is a fraction part. Okay, fraction part is separated by the decimal point. This is whole till here is whole number part and 6 and 3 is fraction part. Okay, 1 by 6 tenth, this is a tenth and hundredth separated by a decimal point, and decimal point is a dot. So here ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000, lakh, like that normal place value chart. After decimal point we have to say tenth, hundredth means 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by, then next is 1 by 1000, 1 by 10,000, like that. At the same time, every decimal can be written as a fraction, and any two decimal number can be compared among themselves. The comparison can start with the whole part. If the whole part are equal, then the tenth part can be compared and so on. So here how to use decimal numbers and in a daily life. For example, here Savita and Sharma were going to market to buy some stationery item. Savita said, I have 5 rupees 75 paise. So it is in a rupee and 75 paise. We can write this in 5 rupees and 75 with the decimal number 5.75. So this is form of writing decimal number. This means it means rupees symbol is given. Then 5 rupees we can understand this. 5 is 5 rupees 75 paise. And Shama said, I have 7 rupees and 50 paise, 7 rupees and 50 paise. So I have rupees symbol is given means 7.50 means we can understand this is 7 rupees 50 paise. Now exercise 8.1, write the following as number in the given table. So here tens place numbers are given 1, 2, 3. 3 tens place number and ones place only one number, and tenths means 1 by 10 after 1 tenths means it is after decimal point. Okay, so this is 100 one box, and this is tens 1, and 4 tens place is given. Tens means after decimal point. So place value the number is ones, tens, 100, and here decimal point after point 1 by 10 decimal. 1 by 10 means this is after point. Now we have to fill this box. Write this in your textbook itself, children. No need to copy into your notes. So this is A, this is B, children. In A1, how many tens are there? 1, 2. How many tens? 2. So in the tens place we can write A, this is A1, and second one is B, 2. And ones place, how many box are there? 1. Okay, ones place 1. So in ones place we can fill with 1. And tens place, how many box? 1, 2, 3. 3 means in tens place 3, and 100 place number is not given. Okay, A is finished. Now look at the B figure, B boxes. In tens place how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means this is a B1, 4. Then in tens place, tenths, 1 by tens place is 4, and how many tens place, how many box are there? Only tens place 1. So tens over, where is the ones place? Ones place is missing. Okay, here tens, ones, tens, 100 like that, but here ones place number is missing, so we have to fill with 0. And this is tens. Tens is how much? Only one box, that we have to fill 1, and 100 is 1. So in first A1 312 and B1 1104. Now next one, write the second one, write the following decimal in a place value table. First one 19.4. Now next one, exercise 8.1, second main, write the following decimal in a place value table. This is a place value, and question also given written in a same place value table, same place value. Ones, tens, 100. There is a before decimal point, after decimal point, tens, 1 by tens, 100. 19.4, this is decimal point, and 4 will come here tens place, and 9 in ones place, and 1 in tens place. Then 0.3, so point here decimal point 3 in tens place 1 by, and decimal point 0. It is not necessary to write this decimal point. Okay, children. Now 10.6 means 6 is here, 10's place 1 by 10, 1 by 10 and decimal point. Then here next place will come 1 by 10, 100, 1 by 1000. This is ones, tens, 100 place, and 0, 1. 205, 205.9, 9 will come here, this is D1, 5 here, 0, 2. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, there is a place value. After decimal point, tens, hundreds, thousands, 1 means 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. So this is an example for place value chart of decimal number, place value chart. This is place value chart, children. Now here place value chart. This is before decimal point, 0, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. After decimal point, 1 by 10, 1 by 1000, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, 1 by lakh, means tenths, hundredths, thousands. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0.6, 5, 6, 7. We have to write 234.567. We have to write 234 point. So decimal point, before decimal point 4, 3, 2, 234, 4 in ones place, and after decimal point 5, 6, 2, 2 in thousands, 1 by 10 thousands, 6 in 1 by 100, 5 in 1 by 10. Don't consider this 2 is ones place, 6 is tens and 100. Always. One more example, 5893.263. So what is the place value of this number? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh? No, that is wrong method. So before decimal point, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000. And then here tens, 100, thousands, it will go on. Okay. So before decimal point, this is ones place. So 3 we have to write here, ones place, and 9 in tens place, 8 in 100 place, 5 in thousands place. And decimal point is over 263. So 2, 1 by 10, 1 by 100. Okay, this is a place value chart, example for place value chart. Now next question, children, third one, write each of the following as decimal. 7 tenths, 2 tenths and 9 tenths, 14.6, 102 ones, 600.8. How to write the value? Write each of the following as decimal. 7 tenths. 7 tenths means 7 is a numerator, 10 is a denominator. Okay, 7 tenths means 7 by 10, fraction. Okay, 7 is a numerator, 10 is denominator, 7 by tens. So this will come after decimal point, first one. Now we have to convert into decimal. This is in fraction. So 7 write as it is, write numerator as it is. Only 10 means after one number point. Okay, after one number from right side we are saying. After decimal point only one number. So answer is 0.7. Okay. Now 2 tens and 9. 2 tens and 9. 2 tens. 2 tens means 2 into 10. Okay. So 2 into 10 and 9. 9 tenths plus 9 tenths means 9 by 10. 2 tenths means 2 into 10 plus 9 10 means 20 plus 9 by 10 means how much? 0.9. 9 by 10 means 0.9, because after divide and check 0 will get 0.9. Write the numerator. Only 10 means after decimal point only one number should be there. Means okay, 0.9. So 20 plus 0.9 is 20.9. Decimal, how to write? 20.9. Next, C1, 14.6. So we can directly write 14.6. So we can directly write 14.6. Next is 102 ones. 100, 1 into 100. So here 2 tens means 2 into 10. Okay, then it becomes 20. And plus 9 tenths. Dash is given means it means 9 by 10. 9 by, in between the and is there. So this is separate number. So this is separate number. 2 into 10 plus 9 by 10. Yeah, 100. This is separate number and this is separate number. So 100 means 100 plus 2 ones. 100 plus 2 ones means 2 one time. So here 102. So 102 is a whole number. How to convert into decimal? Point, put point times 0. Now it become decimal number. Now it become decimal number 102.0. 600.8. So 600.8. 0.8. Now next, write each of the following as decimal. 5 by 10. Following as decimal, just divide the number. 5 by 10. 5 by 10. Write each as decimal. Write each as decimal. This is the fourth main question. First one. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means again 1 by 2 means 2 how much are 1? We can't get. 0 point means 0. 2 5s are 10. 0.5. Or if 5 by 10 is there, we can directly tens form. No, when the numbers are in tens form, we can directly write the decimal number, directly divide it. Write the numerator first. Okay, then check how many zeros. 1 0. Then after one number point. After, from right side we are speaking, after one number point. So it means after decimal point only one number should be there. So 0.5. This is the answer. Next, 3 plus 7 by 2. This one we have to simply convert into fraction, decimal number. 3 write as it is. Now divide it. 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means how to divide it? Divide and check. You can divide and check the answer, or we can directly divide it because tens form numbers. No, write the numerator as it is, and only 10 means after one number point. After one number point. So after decimal point there should be 10 means there should be only one number. So numerator first we have to write and decimal point and 0. So 3 plus 0.7 means 3.7. Next question, 200 plus 60 plus 5 plus 1 by 10. 200 plus 60 is 260. 260 plus 5 is 265 plus, add the total. Okay, 200 plus 60 plus 5, 265. 1 by 10 means how to divide it? Numerator first we have to write. 10 means 1 after one number point. And 0, 0.1. Okay, 10 means after decimal point there should be only one number. 2 zeros means after decimal point there should be two numbers. Now 265.0.1 means answer is 265.1. 265.0.1 adding 1.5 as it is 62. 265.1. Next D1 88 by 10. How to write 88 by 10? Tens form or zeros form, tens hundred form, we can directly divide it. Write numerator first 88. 1 0. 1 0 means after one number point. So it means 8.8. Okay. First we are writing numerator directly. Then 1 0 means after one number point. From right side we have to say after one number point. Means after decimal point there should be only one number. Now next here F1 mixed fraction is given. First we have to convert improper fraction. Then write the decimal number. How to convert? Here the multiplication and upward addition. So 10 as it is, write denominator 10 as it is, then multiply. 10 into 4 is 10 4s are 40, 40 plus 2 is 42. Converted into improper fraction. Now write in decimal form. Write numerator as it is 42. Then check only tens form. Only when the denominator are 10, 100, 1000, then only we can directly divide it like this. Otherwise you have to divide with the actual method like 10 and 42. Okay. Only when the numbers denominator are 10, 100 form, we can directly divide it. Write the 42 as it is. 1 0 1 0 means after one number point. Okay, after one number point. So it means after decimal point there should be one number 1 0. If 2 zeros means after decimal point there should be two numbers. If after one number, right, from right side you have to say after, not from left side. 4.2 is the answer. Next is 3 by 2g, 3 by 2. We have to write in decimal form. So when denominator tens and hundred form, we are directly divided. Now we have to divide in, check children, 2 and 3. Divisor is 2, 3. 2 how much are 3? We can divide it. 2 nearer is, we can get 2 ones are 2. Minus means 1 remainder. Point means we get 0 here. 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are 10. Answer is 1.5. After division, write 1.5. Next is H1, 2 by 5. Now we have to divide it. 5 here, 2. So we can divide it with the 2. 5 ones are table. 0 point means we get 0. 5 how much are 20? 5 4s are 20. Answer is 0 point quotient, 0.4. Next, I1 12 by 5. We have to write in decimal form means divided. 5 divisor 12. 5 how much are nearer to 12? 5 2s are 10. Minus means 12 minus 10 is 12. 5 it is less than divisor. So decimal point means we can borrow 0. Decimal point like a banker. 5 how much are 20? 5 4s are 20. So answer is 2.4. Next, J1 is given like a fraction, mixed fraction. First convert into improper one. So here we have to multiply, here plus. So 5 denominator we have to write as it is. And 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3. 15 plus 3 is 16, 17, 18. So 18 by 5. Now 18 by 5 we have to divide it. 5, 18. 5 3s are 15. Minus means 3. Decimal point means like a banker. We can borrow 0. 30. 5 how much are 30? 5 6 are 30. So answer is 3.6. Next, K1 4 and 1 by 2, 4 and half, convert into improper fraction. This is a mixed fraction. So here into here plus 2 as it is. 2 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 by 2. So divide and check. Or we can directly cancel and divide it. 2 4s are 8, 9.8 means 1. Decimal point means we can borrow 0. We can take 0, 2 5s are 10. Answer is 4.5. Now fourth main over children. Now fifth main. Write each of the following decimal fraction, reduce fraction to lowest form. 0.6. 0.6 means first we have to write in a fraction form, then following decimal has a fraction and reduce the fraction to lowest form. So first we have to convert decimal into fraction, then we have to reduce the value. So how to write? After decimal point which number is the 6, that is a numerator value above 1. Okay, numerator 6, that is numerator. And after decimal point how many number? 1 number, so 10. If 2 number means 100. After decimal point 2 number means 100. After decimal point 3 number means 1000. Okay. Numerator after decimal, here 0 is there. That's why if any numbers are there means without decimal point we have to write. If any numbers without decimal, it means we are writing 06. So instead of writing 06 we can write only 0. Before any number 0 means no value for there. If for 4.6 means we have to write without decimal point 446. Then after decimal point how many number? 1 number, so 10. 1 0 means 1 0. 10. 6 by 10 over. Now we have to reduce the value of this. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Answer is 3 by 5. Next number is 2.5. Look at here, 2.5. So numerator, now we have to write this in a fraction form. Fraction means above line is numerator, below line is denominator. So above line numerator, without decimal point we have to write. Without decimal point totally it is 25. That is numerator value. And denominator 1, and after decimal point how many number? Only one number, that is 5. So it means 10. 1 0. Okay. 1 number means 10. 2 numbers means 100. 3 number means 1000. First we have to write 1. 1 number means 10. 2 numbers means 20. 3 numbers means 30. 4 number means 40. Numerator we have to write without decimal point number. Without decimal it is 25. Now 25 by 10 we have to reduce the value again. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. So answer is 5 by 2. Now next C1 1.0. 1.0 means we can directly write answer as 1 before decimal point 1, and 0 means 1 by 0 means 1 only. 1 by, okay, 1.0, so answer is 1. Next number D 3.8. Now we have to write this in a decimal form, fraction form first. 3.8 means how to write? Numerator is without decimal point we have to write first, that is 38. 3.8 will become 38 without decimal point. And after decimal point only one number means we have to write 10. If two number means we have to write 100. So 38 by 110. Then how to reduce, whether it can, yes. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 1 carry. 2 9s are 18. After reducing value answer is 19 by 5. It is asked in the question, find the fraction of decimal number, then reduce the value. Next E1 13.7. So 13.7 means numerator we can write as without decimal point means 137 together without decimal point 137. Then after decimal point how many number? 1 number, so 10. 2 numbers means 100. Now we have to reduce the value. Whether we can reduce it? No, we can't cancel it, because 0 we can try with 2, but 7 last number. If even numbers means it will divide with 2 answer tables, multiply with 2 answer tables. Next 21.2. Now we have to write in fraction form. So without decimal point write 202. 202 without decimal point. So 1 number after decimal point 1 number, so it means 10. 1 after 1 0 it means 1 0. Then here 0, here 2, even numbers means it will divide with 2 answer tables, multiple substitute. 2 5s are 10, 2 10s are 20, nearer is 20, and 1 carry, 2 6s are 12. 106 by 5. Now 6.4 means we have to write as a fraction. So without decimal point we have to write, that is 64, and after decimal point only one number means 10. So 64 by 10. Now divide it. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 32 by 5. Now sixth main children, express the following as centimeter using decimals. 2 millimeter, 30 millimeter, 16 millimeter, 160 millimeter. Now we have to convert it into centimeter. 2 millimeter. Now we have to convert it into centimeter. Now here 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. We know that 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. Now what we have to find? 2 millimeter equal question mark. Cross multiply means 1 into 2 is 2 by 10. So it means to converting millimeter into centimeter means we have to divide with 10. 2 by 10. So converting millimeter into centimeter. Okay. Now 2 by 10. What is 2 by 10 means? Answer in decimal form, and 2 as it is. 1 0 means after one number point. So 0.2 centimeter, or divide and check, you get same answer, 0.2 centimeter. 2 we have to write as it is. Only 1 0 means after one number point, so 0.2 centimeter. 30 millimeter. Now we have to convert it into centimeter. We know that to convert into centimeter, 30 divided by 10. How to write? Write 30 as it is, numerator as it is. Now only 1 0 means after one number point. So this is 3.0 centimeter. Next is 160 millimeter. To convert it into centimeter means 116 by 10. We have to divide. So how to divide with when numbers are in a tens and hundred form means we write the numerator as it is, 116. Only 1 0 means after one number point, means after 1 0 means after decimal point there should be one number, centimeter. Next is D, 4 centimeter and 2 millimeter children. Look at here children, first one is given with the centimeter and second one is 2 millimeter. So 4 we have to convert into centimeter. So it is already in centimeter, 4 centimeter plus convert 2 millimeter into centimeter. That is 2 by 10, because 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. Now 4 plus 2 by 10 means 2 as it is, numerator tens form, no, we can directly divide it. 2 numerator as it is, 1 0 means 0.2. After the decimal point there should be one number. 4 plus 0.2 means 4.2 centimeter. Next is 162 millimeter, convert into centimeter. So to convert into centimeter, 162 by 10. Okay. Now how to divide? When tens form means tens and hundred form means we can write directly numerator as it is, 162. 1 0 means after one number point, after one number point, decimal point. So it means after decimal point there should be only one number. So 16.2 centimeter. Next F1, 83 millimeter. So convert into centimeter means 83 by 10. So when tens form you can directly divide it. 83 numerator we have to write first. Only 1 0 means after one number point. So 8.3 centimeter. Okay, next question is write the following decimal as a fraction, and that is over. Now 8th one, show the following number on a number line. 0.2. 0.2, draw a number, draw a line, and this is 0, and here it will come 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.4, 5, 6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.7, 8, 9, 0.10. Okay, any number. From numbers between 0 to 1, 10 differences. 10 point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So where will come 0.2? Here 0.2. Now second one, 1.9 on number line. 1.9 on number line, draw a line. Then here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, next line. And this is 0. And here 0 0.1, 0 0.2. And next is 0 0.3, decimal point. No? 0 0.4, 0 0.5, 0 0.6. Here we can take any unit, it is not necessary. I took 1 centimeter, 1 unit, 0 0.7, 0 0.8, 0 0.9. Where it will come? 0 0.9 here, 0 0.9. This is 0 0.10. Next is 1.1. So here draw a line. 1.1 means any value here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it will come here 1. Then here 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Here 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.5, 0 0.6, 0 0.7, 0 0.8, 0 0.9, 0 0.10. So that is 1. Then 1.1 will come here, next line. It is not necessary to mark point properly. Means distance. 1 centimeter को 1 unit. I took here 1 centimeter को 1 unit. Next is 2.5. So here 0, then 2.5. No, we can't extend the line with the 1 centimeter means it is very big line. Long line become long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now here from 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, not proper distance children, 0 to 1. Now I took here 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. Okay, each numbers between here is 10 numbers, 10 points. Okay, 0 0.1, 0 means here 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.5, 6, 0 0.7, 0 0.8, 0 0.9, 0 0.10. That is 1. Then 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 2. Okay. Then 2.1, 2.2. Here we can say 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. It will come here 2.5. So 0 to 1, the difference is 10 points. Make it out of 10 points. Draw 10. Write 10 dots. Okay, on the line. And here 1 to 2 also 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 dots means 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. We want 2.5. Then after 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. So 2.5 will come here. 0.2 is here. Distance also 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.1, 2, 0.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next 1.9. 1.9 means 0 to 10 numbers in between. 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0.9 you have to mark. 1.1 means 0 to 1. That is distance here. Points are 10 points you should write. Then next 1.1 any numbers till. Then 2.5. 2.5 means 0 to 1, then 1 to 2. Distance between 0 to 1 is 10 points should be there. And 1 to 2 distance should be 10 points should be there. Then you can write 2.5. No? Then 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5.